First stop on the Animal Kingdom. It's 9:43 in the morning. This opens at 8 and look at the people already in the parking.
C'est samedi tout là.
It's a Saturday too, I have to mention that. Switched to 680 by 340 or 640 by 380 because my high res or high definition card is actually being eaten up, so to avoid it, here we are, and it's tough to be a vlog. And hello, and in we go.
What's FOB?
Fear of birds. I am terrified of birds.
Terrified of birds. Birds are...
Oh, there's another one.
Calm down, Joe. This is just Poe. Poe's called a collared raven.
No, he's got my flag. He's got my tour flag.
Hey, come back here. Poe!
He took my tour group. Do not follow the flag. Corey, where's my flag?
Our collared raven took your flag. Did you need that?
Yes, Corey. I'm a tour guide. They're not going to follow this. It's just sad looking.
You know what? Take it as a sign.
What?
A sign that you should stay.
Oh, you have birds here.
Oh, you guys want Joe to stay, right? See?
All right. I'll tell you what. We'll stay under one condition.
Such a good audience. Can you give him a great big kiss? Oh, we gotta finish it. Great big kiss. Yeah, good stuff, that kiss. There we go. All right, Groucho. You do Camptown races, 6 other songs. You can pick whichever one you want. Anything green. So, yeah, once you get that money out, just fold it in half for me, and then fold it in half a second time to make a nice, tight rectangle. Got it? Maybe? Search it in the bottom. There we go. All right, you can stay right where you're at. We just need your money. Yeah, all right, fold that in half for me, as I said, and then one more time, do a nice, tight rectangle. Just like that. All right, hold that between your fingers. Hold your arms straight out to the side. All right, Foster sees it. He flies out. He grabs it. What do you do, bud? Brings it back to me, and where's it go? Right in the pocket. Right now, she's cleaning up the flowers that are top of the sun right there. All right, Sire, you look like you're ready. All right, here she comes. Yeah! Did you guys get it? Yeah? All right, come over here before you really get it. You're sitting under the wrong end. I'm serious. You're in the splash zone. Yes. You don't want to sit there for too long. Come over here. They're the size of a jackrabbit. Yeah. It's a very important strategy because the desert regions that these birds live in, they need that extra edge. Hey, see, 75% of all birds of prey hatched out in the wild, they don't make it past their first year of life.
Why is that?
It's due to a lot of causes. Mostly fear. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to meet Fraser.
Fraser?
Yeah, Fraser Crane. Now, crown canes get their name from that golden burst of feathers on the top of their head. Eat a lot of things like seeds, grains, but also insects. Insects that can destroy farmers' crops, can even spread disease. Ladies and gentlemen, this is hope. Now, hope is a living symbol of one of the greatest conservation success stories of our lifetime. See, it wasn't that long ago, bald eagles' numbers began to drop. They dropped so low, it was feared future generations would never get a chance to see these majestic birds in the wild. You see, that's when something incredible happened. People took notice. They took action. Started cleaning up the waterways where the bald eagles fish. They stopped using a chemical pesticide called TDT. Was a major cause for this and many.
Look above your head, you'll notice an animal spotting guide. Now this reserve was actually established in 1971. It was set up to protect the local wildlife here.
Road may go away.
Reserve. It is patrolled and also protected by
rainy season.
With here as we go in. Alright, let's head in.
Oh yeah. Kind of.
I know, I saw it.
Hey Oh.
Lève debout, Yannick, tu le vois bien. Lève debout, tu peux le poser.
Non, je le vois bien.
Oui, ah oui, debout, tu le vois bien. Ça vient
C'est-à-dire pas dans un véhicule.
On va qu'ils ont chaud, moi.
And they can pack over 1,200 pounds of pressure in those jaws. It's more than enough to crush the bones of anything they get a hold of. The horns on these cows could reach a length of 6 foot long and 20 inches in diameter at the base of their heads. These cows were the first domesticated ever. And that antelope behind the tree there on the left, that's a water buck laying up under the tree.
Termite mounds, people. Termite mounds. Made with their saliva and sand.
Male elephants, when they're fully grown, usually weigh about 12,000 pounds. Females, like the one right here on the left, usually weigh about 6,000 to 8,000 pounds. And babies, when they're born, usually weigh about 300. High grass and look for prey. Although lions are inactive for about 18 hours a day.
White rhino.
Sometimes they're hard to see. On the right-hand side is a very endangered animal there. That's a bontebok. And they're actually completely extinct in the wild. So you only find bonteboks in protected areas. Not very many of them.
This is anything but chasing rabbits, folks. You gotta love Disneyland for
Looks
this.
like their camp here, Wilson. No poachers here.
They have a hawk next to little kids. Can you say bite-sized snack?
I'm not clear with
I think it's an Indian ornamental. Hello.
It's an Indian ornamental threshold. Oh my god.
A red-tailed boa constrictor. The reason why the red tail, look. Red-tailed boas. Red. Is that because of the light? Can't see the constrictor, he's in the back.
À un moment donné, il décolle le reculon, il décolle devant, un passé, il décolle devant.
En plus de ça, il y a une course qui lui est. Salut!
Ouais.
La petite lui, ça va passer.
Comment ça roule, moi?
Michael, no.
Good taro.
No, a bigger one I need.
That's all I can find.
I want to see, I gotta practice.
Zip it there where you go. Où ils sont pris d'accident?
Un accident, le jour.
Michael!
On va aller chercher les filles de la liquidité pour aller chercher une pensée.
You got a good spot?
They got it.